Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we got some Indomie noodles and I got two fried eggs and some cucumber, and it looks like a happy face. So I'm gonna dig in because I'm hungry. I have some sriracha here too. Oh, and can't forget my bubble tea. So let's see, how should I do this? Just a little bit of everything. Wow, this looks so good. I've been craving this for so long. So I got my sriracha. I'm gonna dig in. I got cucumber. I'll try the noodles. I'm gonna break the yolk. Look at this one. So good. And put some of the noodles with the yolk all up in there. Trace it with some cucumber. It's super refreshing. I'll take a bite of the egg. So how are you guys doing? It's been a while since I filmed something. The last video I had was a video that I forgot about, and I filmed that one like 3 years ago, and I finally posted it. Yolk, the runny yolk is so good with it. With the kick of the sriracha. So it is February 21st, 2022. It's been a while because at the very end of December, I caught COVID. That was when everybody was getting it. So I had to miss Christmas, New Year's, everything. My symptoms weren't too bad. I felt like almost a fever, but then when I felt hot, I just took like Tylenol. I feel like this is going to be a pretty quick video because this is a simple meal. I've been craving this for like weeks because I did this like once or twice like a month or so ago, and then I stopped. And then I really wanted to film it because it was really good. But work has been really busy. I got promoted, so it's been even busier. How's everyone doing? I recently went to Philly last weekend. It's like a staycation type thing. Just stayed at like a really nice Airbnb. It was Valentine's Day that weekend and the Super Bowl, but it was nice and chill. I want to lick the bowl, but I won't. Well, that was a really quick video. I just wanted to check in. I just wanted to check in and give you like a little update. Let me know what I should eat next, because I don't know. I always crave sushi. Ooh, I went to my first omakase last week. And like a real omakase place where I sat in front of the counter and they like gave you made the sushi like right in front of you. And it was so good. Like, excuse me. It was so good. That's the raw fish that I like, you know. I wasn't really into raw fish before then. I was like starting to get into salmon, but now I tried all of that and it was so good. I kind of really wanted to try the shrimp one, the ebi botan. I don't know if that's how you say it, but I'm a little bit allergic to shrimp, so I didn't really want to risk it. Yeah, I want to go back. Let me know what I should eat next, and I will see you guys later. Bye.